So right now, the evergreen leaves and bright red berries of Yaupon holly are really standing out. I'm sure that's why holly is so associated with holiday decorations, especially in cold areas where most trees are deciduous and it may be snowing and those bright colors really pop. Yeah, it was used extensively by almost all Native Americans in the Southeast to make a tea. So it was a social beverage used for medicinal purposes and also in rituals. The scientific name of Yaupon holly is Ilex vomitoria, which sounds pretty scary. And that comes from its use in what was called the black drink. So that was consumed by Native Americans during purification rituals. And so European explorers described these rituals, and what was happening is the Native Americans were fasting for several days. They would stay up all night long, dancing, and they would drink huge amounts of this tea that was super strong, made from the Yaupon holly. And of course, if you do that, it probably doesn't really matter what you drink. You're probably going to end up sick. Thankfully, numerous studies have confirmed that Yaupon tea, under normal circumstances, does not cause vomiting. And it's actually really delicious. It turns out it's the only native caffeine-containing plant in North America. A Yaupon holly is a small tree or large shrub, and it can reach up to 20 feet tall or so, but easily pruned in a landscaping context. There are a wide variety of cultivars available in the nursery trade, but you may not know that there are male and female flowers on completely separate plants. So if you want to have those beautiful red berries, you have to make sure that there is a male plant nearby so that pollinators can carry pollen to the female flowers and fertilize them so they produce the fruit. The Yaupon berries are eaten by a variety of songbirds, but not usually until after the first frost of the year, because that concentrates the sugars, softens the berries, and makes them more palatable. Yaupon is very common in southeastern habitats that don't experience fire, so it should be easy to find if you want to make your own holiday decorations.